What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I wanna show you how to fix OBS, display capture, not working, black screen, Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just go on OBS and go right click and open as administrator. Go yes, and you will see like this. After you add your scenes, just move here to source, go add here source and you will see display capture. And go here add new display capture and you will see here automatic and just go OK. If you see this black like me, just open display capture again and you will see display. Select your display, just choose your primary monitor and you will see your display capture. Go here OK. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix display capture not working in OBS. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.